Okay, compute I to the negative 23. So we're going to use two facts. One, I to the 4 is 1, and 2, I squared is negative 1. Let's start by writing it as 1 over I to the 23. Now we need to think about how we can write this with I to the 4. Well, we can do the following. 4 times 5 is 20. So we can write this as I to the 20, I to the 3. That's because you add the exponents. And so this is now 1 over, write the 20 using I to the 4. So I to the 4 to the 5, and then here we have I to the 3. I to the 4 is 1, so we get 1 to the 5. I cubed we can write as I squared times I. So this is equal to 1 over 1, and then I squared is negative 1, and then we have an I. So we get negative 1 over I. That's not good enough. Let's write it like this by multiplying by I over I to get rid of the I on the bottom. In the numerator, we get negative I. In the denominator, we get I squared. We get negative I over negative 1, so we just end up with a beautiful answer of I.